welcome back to my channel, Rhythm World. So today we're in an bird archive, and this is a bird park. It's a very good park, and I am with my family. This is going to be so awesome with my family, and I think we're gonna look around for some birds. We already saw some birds. We're gonna go and look around. Let's see. There's one person from my family. Oh, hey, she's my friend. And she's say hi. Friend. She's also filming a video. This is the way. Say hello.
Hello.
So everyone is looking at the birds. She's my mom. I have filmed her in my videos. She helped me with them. Nice, very nice. We got a feather from my friend. Yep, she has a feather.
Take the video of the wetland.
So this is the wetland. Usually birds and like birds and cranes hang out here a lot. Ducks usually love this area, but I cannot see any here. I can see lotus leaf. Yeah, look at the lotus leaf, and I can see a small little lotus growing over there, like that and like that. Hey, these are lotuses.
Stay back.
The smalls are lotuses.
Stay back.
They are lotuses, and we cannot. Let me see if I can get a closer look of the lotuses. So guys,
Of the lotus.
I can see a lotus, white in color. That's the lotus. So let's go ahead. Say hello. Thank you, Adu. I got a feather from my friend. नहीं अद्दू ने मेरे को स्पेशली दिए हैं. ट्रेड नहीं करते किया. अरे मेरे से पकड़ा ही नहीं जा रहा है. I'll hold it. Now let's go. Stop. We cannot go up the trail because our parents. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go. One more little house. Wait, what? Oh yeah, that's a sitting area. Look at her phone. I'm really excited. I'm just sitting there. Stop! Our parents are so left behind, guys. I'll give this to my mother. These feathers. Hold on a sec. Mama, can you hold these?
No, sir, we can't. I'm already occupied.
Fine. I'll give it to Pap. Pap?
बीजेपी आ गई है यहाँ भी.
Pap, can I put this in there?
नहीं बहुत सारे हैं. ओह वाओ ब्रो. यहाँ भी बीजेपी का बरसात.
I got a closer look of lotus for you. So let's go. This park is so cool, guys. Get out of your beds. Get out of the couch. But कर रही हूँ मम्मा. Okay. Is this mine? Nice, Adu. So this is so cool, and oh my gosh.
You reverse the camera to yourself now.
So guys, get out of your beds, get out of your couches, and go and visit to this beautiful area. Everywhere there is nature and love things. You might seeing this jungle. This is very nice.
Pause it and then start.
So now we'll see you in a bit when we reach the closer to the end. We are very far away from the end. So I'll see you later. Bye. Pause.